So see how beautiful this car looks? With nothing here. Roger's genius idea was to put a diffuser and move it.
You're literally going against every car person's thoughts.
Let's see. Make a comment.
Like, who would not want a rear diffuser?
Yeah. But is there two? Oh, it's with screwdrivers? I don't know. Yeah.
Did you guys see that on the YouTube video?
I think we're just winging it. Yeah, well, honestly, I
don't like the thought of that.
Because your car is like the test car, so.
I don't like that.
I heard it's stuck.
Ryan the mechanic. So.
No, my God, this shit's stuck.
Fuck you. Shows how it's done, bro. So you see this clip? What you do is you diffuse it, right? So when you diffuse it, you can actually pop the canister bolt, and then once the pop the canister bolt out, it pretty much slides in to the gas tank, and then from the gas tank you can actually slide it out of the Comisco bolt. Oh yeah. All right, go to.
I'm tempted to say something, but I'll hold back.
Yo. So I just pull it. Yeah. Okay, I feel it coming.
That shit literally glued on. Like,
no, it's tabs. Oh, that? I don't know what that is.
That they put inside.
It should allow you to just straight pull it back. No, that way. Like that, like push the whole red, no, push the whole red tab out. This thing, like literally, there you go. So now try pulling out. There you go. And that's it, it's disconnected.
Easy shit.
Are you a mechanic?
Are you a magician?
I am a mechanic. We could have just gone under there and not do this in the sun. Alright, so same thing, like, yeah, I feel it. This one's going a lot faster. It's a good thing we did yours first, huh?
I love how the guinea pig was literally the Hellcat.
The Hellcat was the guinea pig. That's crazy. Yeah, this one's way faster.
I think I already got all the ones from
We're quick learners. Fuck baby. Fuck baby. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. Shout out White Claw Gabe. Fuck yeah. I love that guy. Does the Scat Pack beat the Hellcat? No.
The Scat Pack is like the poor man's Hellcat. And the S6T is just like the poor man.
Ryan's is definitely a dirt one. Yeah.
What the hell? How come my screws came in silver? That's ugly as fuck.
Did they really?
Yeah, what the fuck? They're just kind of black. That's some bullshit.
Where'd you guys get this? Amazon?
Yeah.
Damn, too bad they screwed you though. Because the black hardware is definitely better.
Hmm?
The black hardware. I mean, you won't see it, yeah.
You won't see shit.
What is this?
It's fucking Jello with whipped cream, bro. And condensed milk.
Is this a Cuban thing?
No, you know you add like 1,000 calories.
Is this really a thing? Jello and whipped cream?
Yeah.
Nah, you guys wild.
That shit's actually really fire.
Hey, put some condensed milk in there. Trust me. That's not condensed milk, bro. Condensed milk doesn't come in a packaging like that. You're a fucking
That's
idiot.
condensed milk, you idiot.
There's no way.
We just fucking opened it.
Fucking bamboo.
That's Melissa, Ryan's girlfriend. She treats him poorly.
Mmm.
Stop. So that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, here's a lesson, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of chicken thighs, you know? Like, can you weigh this one?
Buy the right instruments. So Ryan and I went to,
No, it's okay.
4.
where is it that we went to? AutoZone? Yeah, AutoZone. And we bought the correct drill bit. So it's a lot easier now. Get the right tools.
Oh! These diffusers busted! You'll feel it click. So we're putting the 4 sensors back in first. See? Okay, so now. That's just brute force.
How do you know where the tabs go? Like where the tabs are?
You should see them.
Oh yeah, I see. Okay, so right here.
Alright, go there first.
We gotta put this higher. Okay, so right here. I think it clicked in, bro.
Yeah, it'll click in once you put all of them. Just hammer it in.
Don't hammer your thumb though.
There you go.
So, let's see if we can push. I'm pushing it to the left.
You see where I'm pushing it?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, so now we press it. Yeah, ready? This is it.
How many guys does it
Do you know what it is?
Yeah, okay, so look.
3.
It could be. No, no, fucking Drew.
Apparently.
Let me wash myself.
Alright, so let's do it like that. Where's my, llave? Where is it? I think it's on. Okay, you tell me.
Shout out Jalen Ramsey.
Tell me.